Which one is acrolein? Which one of the following is acrolein? Let us try to find. Which one is acrolein? A. What is this? This is methyl group. This is phenyl group. M is prior to P in the alphabetic order. So this is methyl phenyl ether, or this is methoxybenzene, which is also known as anisole. So this is not acrolein. B. B is this. This is carbonyl diamine or carbamide, which is also known as urea. So this is not acrolein. Number C. Benzene, benzoic acid at ortho position hydroxyl group. So this is orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which is also known as salicylic acid. So this is not acrolein. D. This is functional group aldehyde. Functional group carbon is numbered by 1, then 2, then 3. This is 2-propanol or propanol 2. Which is actually known as acrolein. So this is acrolein. Thank you for watching.